Daddy wants to see in here. Hey guys, it's Cam with Tekamo, and we're on the T274 diesel electric haul truck. This is the view of Bauma from on top of Liebherr's electric haul truck. And this is my office for the day. Where's the Bluetooth? How's the hands-free work in this thing? Anyways, safety orange seatbelt on so they can see it. It's on. There we go. This is the view from in the cab. Where's the sun? Hey guys, it's Cam with Tekamo, and I'm inside this hot engine bay on the Liebherr 9300 excavator. Very cool. That's a lot of pumps, man.
That's all the hydraulic pumps.
Yep. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Was that like 7 pumps? 8, 9, 10. We're gonna show you guys something really cool on this machine. The diagnostic panel here. So this has your error codes, and error codes will pop up for different systems on the machine, different systems to help you troubleshoot without having to plug in. Yeah, we're deep in the guts of the Liebherr 9300. This is the service deck. So essentially this is where you're going to be working as a mechanic between here and there when you're troubleshooting, diagnosing faults. This is what controls all your boom and bucket functions, and essentially this is the heart of the machine, or the nervous system of the machine. So you've seen the view for the mechanic, and now we're going to show you the operator's view. What do you do when it's on fire though? There's a fire suppression button here, magic red button. You might be asking what the red handle is for at the bottom of the machine. You pull that, and that whole panel there drops down for serviceability and diagnostic work. So yeah, something to note about this machine. So instead of starting from a blank slate, Liebherr's pieced together a lot of the components from proven equipment and come up with this machine. From a serviceability standpoint, that means it's equipment that the mechanic's going to be familiar with already. You might be trained up on and familiar with parts, and more part availability as well. Hey guys, Cam from Tekamo. Got a great view overlooking Liebherr City. Hey guys, welcome to my office. Oh, I wanged my head on the monitor. Hey guys, and welcome to my office today. I can do it again, just one more time.